So I'm here to explain how to solve a simultaneous linear equation. And it sounds a little bit crazy, but it's not that bad. And I'm going to do this in 3 different parts, and this is going to be part 1. All right. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to do this graphically. And there's a couple things that you have to pay attention to. So here we go. I says I have 10 coins, and I have nickels, and I have dimes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little table, and I'm going to say nickels and dimes, and I'm going to put down all the possible combinations I have. Well, I could have 0 nickels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to record if I have 0 nickels, it means I must have 10 dimes. If I have 1 nickel, I must have 9 dimes. If I have 2 nickels, I must have 8, and so on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to graph this. I'm going to say, now it doesn't matter which one's which, but I'm going to say these are my nickels, and these are, oops, oh boy, sorry about that. And these are my dimes. Oh. Can't really read that. Let me try that again. These are my dimes. And oh boy. Let's see. So like I said, when I have 0 nickels, I have 10 dimes. And I'm going to do this. Let's see. And when I have 1 nickel, I have 9 dimes. There we go. 2 nickels, I have 8 dimes, and you'll see it's going down. Well, it should be anyway. Should be going down. Oh boy, struggling here. Oh, I see. Should be going down like this. And I apologize for that. Now, technically, you probably shouldn't connect the lines because you can't have half a nickel. And you should always use a straight edge as well, but I don't have a straight edge available to me. So I'm going to do the best I can. Well, yeah, let me see if I can use a straight edge on this. Nope, I can't. So I'm going to draw, like I said, to the best of my ability, all the way down. And this line's a little bit of a not true statement because, like I said, you can't have half a nickel. Now the second part says altogether I have 80 cents. So I'm going to draw another table. I'm going to put down nickels and dimes again. And this is kind of important. Since my nickels were up here and they're down here as well, and then my dimes are on the y-axis, I have to stay consistent. So, excuse me. If I only had nickels, if I had no nickels, I'd have 8 dimes. If I had 1 nickel, that's 5 cents. I can't actually get to 80 cents using dimes, so I can't actually have 1 nickel. I could have 2 nickels, which would be 10 cents, in which case I'd have to have 7 dimes. And then I had 4 nickels, which would be 6. And then I'd have to have 6 nickels, and that would be 5, right? 6 times 5 is 30 cents, plus 50 cents is 80 cents. I have 8 nickels, that would give me 4. And then if I had 10 nickels, that would give me 3, right? That's 50 cents and 30 cents. 12 nickels would give me 2. 14 nickels would give me 1. And if I had 16 nickels, I'd have 0 dimes. Well, that's unfortunate. But I'm going to try doing this in blue. If I had 0 nickels, I had 8 dimes. Or pink rather. If I had 2 nickels, I had 7. Oh, I made a mistake. So you have to be careful. If I had 2, I have 7. If I had 4 nickels, I would have 6 dimes. And if I had 8, I'd be at 4. Oh, I'm sorry, 6, I'm at 5, 8, I'm at 4, 10, I'm at 3, 12, I'm at 2, 14, I'd be at 1. And now, once again, I'm going to try to draw a straight line, which, and I cannot stress this enough, probably should not actually even be a straight line because, once again, you can't have half a nickel or half a dime. If you'll look closely at my terrible, terrible picture, you'll see that when I have 4 nickels and 6 dimes, the 2 points intersect right there. 4 nickels and 6 dimes. These are my nickels. These are my dimes. You'll see that they intersect, and that's it. So in order for both statements to be true, when I have 10 coins and altogether I have 80 cents, it has to be 4 nickels and 6 dimes. That gives me 10 coins worth 80 cents. And that's it. So that's how you solve this graphically.